over the weekend. Okay, good morning, Algebra. Today we're talking about rate of change, a how-to by Miss Press. Oh yeah, Miss Press learned how to use the internet over the weekend. Okay, so let's say we have a waterfall and we know that 4,000 gallons go over this waterfall every 5 seconds. But unfortunately, that's kind of useless information because we might want to know how much water goes over each second. And so to find that out, we're going to need to know something about the rate of change, which is helpful for understanding how a whole relates to its parts. Now, a rate of change is something called a unit rate. And that unit rate is going to tell us how many per, each, or every of something by dividing the output by the input. In our waterfall example, that looks like this. We have 4,000 gallons, which is the change in output, and that change occurs over 5 seconds, which means 4,000 divided by 5, or 800 gallons per second, is the rate of change. But of course, this is algebra class, and things are not going to be as simple as just dividing two terms every time. Let's take a look at a familiar example. We are at home with our families and want to order some food. But we want to make absolutely sure that we know how much every single person in the household is costing on food. So we're looking at burgers. And to get 3 burgers delivered costs $7.50. Seems simple enough, $2.50 per burger if we divide 750 by 3. But we got to remember the delivery rate because 5 burgers actually cost $10.50, which means they can't be $2.50 each. But fortunately, you are in algebra class today, and you know something about the rate of change. So what we're going to do is take first the input, the change in burgers, 5 minus 3, which is 2 burgers. That's the input because that results in the change in price. Now, the change in price is $10.50 minus $7.50, which is a difference of $3. Now that we know the change in output and input, we can divide, and we'll divide 3 by 2, which is going to give us a cost of $1.50 per burger. Great news! This random creepy man from Shutterstock thinks that that's a great deal. Okay, that is more than enough of that, clearly. So let's go ahead and take a look at some practice examples. Awesome job, you guys. Let's go on.